Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get father tokens updated. Begin by locating the official token issuer and read their mint or claim page carefully for rules and dates. Next, set up a compatible wallet and confirm network settings to avoid lost funds. Keep backups of keys and use strong passwords. Stay alert for official announcements to avoid scams and only use verified platforms and channels for claims and trades. In this video, I will explain how to get father tokens updated. Connect a trusted wallet, confirm the correct blockchain network, and ensure you have enough funds for fees. Approve only the exact smart contract interactions required and double-check contract addresses. Complete the mint or claim process, then verify the token appears in your wallet or profile. If anything looks off, pause and consult official channels before proceeding to protect your assets. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides and updates. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a neat companion while managing tokens or following tutorials. It makes alerts and music simple. I've linked the product and deals in the description for your convenience, so take a peek if interested. And now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to get father tokens updated. Be cautious of phishing links and imposter giveaways that mimic real projects. If gas fees spike, consider waiting for lower traffic periods to save costs. Always confirm contract details and event announcements through official profiles before interacting. Keep screenshots and transaction hashes for support inquiries, and never share private keys or seed phrases under any circumstance to keep your tokens secure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.